Hey y'all, entertainment attorney Stephanie Hay here, and while I'm heavily involved in television, film, music, influencer deals, NIL deals, guess what? I'm not your entertainment attorney, so take what I gotta say with a grain of salt. However, today I want to talk to the influencers, so y'all come to the front. Influencers, why do you keep signing contracts without nobody reading them? And I say contracts, specifically your management contracts. If you have enough to manage, that it's time to bring in a manager to manage these things, then that means it's probably also time to bring in an attorney. And I say it's time to bring in an attorney because you need the attorney to review the management contract. Duh. You're signing management contracts and you're not understanding what they are saying, and the manager is coming back and they're saying they're owed a certain percentage off of certain things, and you're not very clear on what that looks like, right? So first things first, management contracts can essentially say like, okay, either I am owed as a manager everything that you do in the 20% of everything that you do in the industry, whether or not I procure it or not. Which means if they don't, even if they don't bring it to the table and it is a deal that is done while you're in a management contract with them, they're owed 20%. Are you cool with that? Versus some contracts say, I'm only entitled to 20% of the deals that I bring to the table, the deals that I procure for you, right? Sometimes they also can say like, okay, well, I am only allowed 20% of the beauty industry deals that you get because that's your primary bread and butter. If you start doing some experimental stuff with like, cooking, I don't get 20% of that. That's on you. Enjoy, have a good time, right? What does it say? When are they allowed to get that 20%? You need to be very clear on this. This is your business. You are paying them. They work for you. Know when and where and how they should be paid. Second thing, power of attorney. In some contracts, they will talk about how, okay, you're giving me power of attorney so I can direct a third party to pay me my money directly versus you paying them after you get the check. Is that a part of the deal? I don't know. Do you know? You probably do not know. So you want to understand that power of attorney clause so that you're clear on, no, I want all the checks to come to me and then I'm going to pay all of my people out versus them sending over authorizations or having you sign basically an authorization in that power of attorney that allows them to then either collect all of your funds directly, take their 20% and then pay you, or have them directly pay the 20%. Because what if there's a dispute about the funds? Now, all of a sudden, you're like, no, they shouldn't have got the 20%, but the contract is saying something different. So you need to understand the management contracts. And again, if it's time to bring in a manager, it's probably also time to bring in an attorney. The manager is not responsible for reviewing your legal agreements. After they do the basic deal points, they're going to say it's okay to sign. They don't have a law license. They're not responsible for that. So you're on the hook for that. So if it's time to bring in a manager, it is time to bring an attorney, okay? I hope that helps. Y'all have a good day. Hit the link in my bio for a free 10-minute consultation. Bye.